If you want to create a neon effect in Krita, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to build a dark background, paint your artwork, and add a glowing neon style that really pops off the canvas. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Let's start by creating the right foundation. Open Krita and make a new document, then create a background layer. Fill that layer with black or another very dark color. A dark background is important because neon only looks truly bright when it has something deep and shadowy behind it. The darker the background, the more dramatic the glow will feel. Now create a new transparent layer directly above the background. This is where your artwork will go. Keeping your artwork on its own layer gives you more control later, especially when you want to edit the glow or change the color without affecting the background. Next, choose your base color. For the cleanest neon effect, paint your lines in pure white or in a very pale, desaturated version of the neon color you want. This is a really important trick because the glow effect will work better when your original artwork is bright and simple. Use a brush, pen tool, or whatever drawing tool you prefer and sketch your sign, text, icon, or design on that layer. Once your artwork is in place, it's time to open the layer style options. Go to the Layers docker, right-click on your artwork layer and select Layer Style. This is where Krita lets you add special effects to the layer without permanently changing the original drawing. Inside the Layer Style window, look at the left sidebar and enable Outer Glow. Then click on the words Outer Glow so you can open its settings. This is where the neon effect really starts to happen. Now apply the glow settings. First, change the blend mode to Hard Light. This helps the glow interact with the background in a stronger, more vivid way. Then click the color box and choose a highly saturated, vibrant neon color. Think electric blue, hot pink, bright green, purple, or orange. The more vivid the color, the more believable the neon sign will look. After that, you can fine-tune the glow by adjusting the opacity, spread, and size. Opacity controls how strong the glow appears. Spread changes how concentrated or wide the glow is near the edge. Size controls how far the glow extends outward. Small changes here can make a huge difference, so take a moment to experiment until the effect feels right for your artwork. If the glow looks too weak, increase the size or opacity a little. If it looks too harsh, reduce the spread or soften the color. The goal is to make the artwork look like it's actually lit up from within. That's what gives neon art its punch. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to close the window. And that's it. Your neon sign is complete. You now have a glowing neon effect in Krita that you can use for lettering, logos, illustrations, or any creative design you want to make stand out. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.